Digicel Rising Stars Season 16's Kingston auditions, and it's still not Terry. The judges want Kingston to prove to them have this luck. Like we see now.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium.
Yes.
I am titanium. Put me down.
Wow! Wow!
All
Awesome!
right, great melodies, and you have star quality.
Yes! And they both can sing equally
So
well.
good.
Very nice.
Very nice. I think the audition of the day.
Yes!
And life is like a song. Oh, yeah, yeah. And life. The skies above are blue.
Yes!
Yes,
Yes.
to you. Yes, to you.
Yes!
Say, but I decide to keep on toiling. Oh, say I'm so glad. Oh, that Jesus knows. Yeah.
Thanks. I don't usually like the gospel stuff, but your voice rocks.
Hey! Yes.
Nice voice, now unusual.
Yes.
Haven't heard anything like you in a while, and
So
boy,
much
that
energy.
the depth
And
of it and the quality
Yes.
of it.
You
Wow,
are
wow, wow.
magnetic.
We're getting to know some of the talented contestants that turned out to the Kingston auditions right here today at Digicel Rising Stars Season 16. Paul Palmer, right?
Yeah.
That's the one. Paul, talk to me. Tell me, what made you decide to come out? Was this your first season auditioning?
No, this is actually my second one.
The second one?
Yeah, I was here in 2017.
2017, you took a break last year.
Yeah.
Why?
Definitely needed to take a break. To get some practice, because I said I needed some training. So I got some practice.
So you're putting in the work?
Yeah, man, definitely.
And you feel like you're ready for it that year, yeah?
Yes. Yes.
What's the main area of improvement that you think you made?
Main area, got closer to my voice, more experience with dealing with my voice, but my voice is kind of different, so it's harder to deal with.
So you have better voice control this year.
Yes, definitely.
And what are you hoping to get out of this season 16? You think you have what it takes to be the Sweet 16 winner?
Yes.
Yes, it's true, I'm not good as a one-night stand, oh. But I still need love, cause I'm just a man. Deep down I know it never worked. Cause so you can live with me so it doesn't hurt. Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need.
You have a nice voice, but your lack of preparation is a little worrying.
I think your nerves really got the best of you today.
But you have a very nice
No,
voice.
that's
It would
enough.
be a shame to say no to him. I
Absolutely.
think he has
We
a good
can't say
voice.
no.
Yes!
You know I laughed when you left, but now I know I've only hurt myself. Oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet loving, bring it on to
think
Thank you.
Yeah,
you stepped
you
onto the
brought,
stage.
you kind of brought it home today.
Yes, he did.
But Rising Stars is not an oldies show, and I don't see you not going on and doing anything else.
I know my whole man.
Well,
Yeah, but
the point is,
Cole.
Well, can I say something to you,
you
Anthony?
can't just do old songs.
Right.
Yes. Can I say something to you?
Yeah,
I did this because of my son. My son is here today,
right.
just to support, so I did it first.
I know I misbehaved and you've made your mistakes, and we both got room left to grow. And though love sometimes hurt, I still put you first, and we'll make this thing work. But I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go.
Is Iva your daddy? What? Town of bad man. That was so good. So Iva is your daddy. So how do you feel about your daddy coming and auditioning with you?
Actually, kind of surprised me because he came last night and just said, I'm coming. So.
Yeah. I thought that you did a good job. You're young. Your voice is beautiful, sweet and smooth. I just think you need to open your eyes because girls will like to look into your eyes as you sing to them. But that's going to come with experience. I'm a yes for you, for sure.
Right now, Kingston Auditions is full of surprises, and we have a father-son duo that both actually got through audition separately, right?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, tell me how this even happened. Give me a little bit of the backstory.
Well, my son told me last week that he was going to be on the Digicel Register auditions. So I was in Cayman. So I asked him, hey, you want to fly down just to come and do this and support you? He said, yes. And I'm here. And when I was here today, then I said, you know what? Let me just try it. I want to motivate him more.
Yeah. How motivating was it for you to have your father in here? We can be honest too, if it was embarrassing, you can tell us it was a little bit embarrassing too, you know.
No, it was embarrassing. It was a good performance. So it was good. I felt very ecstatic to know that he was actually here to be here with me and support me. I was very nervous, so it was very.
Well, from day one, I encouraged him. Say, well, look, I need for you to do this because I went away to Miami one time and buy a nice professional keyboard for him because I need for him to learn to play the keyboard to complement his voice.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I know it's a very good thing. So I did all that. So I wanted to get in music 100%.
Okay, so it's something that you're really encouraging.
Yes,
then.
because what happened, you know, I went out of contest before it.
Yeah.
So I know what it is all about. So I really want him. I never make big stage time. I mean, I've been around, but I want him to make the big stage. I want him to be better than me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
And so
saying?
you think you have what it takes to make that big stage?
Definitely.
And you're ready for it? All right, good luck, yeah? There you go.
Playing with love tonight. It's not about the money. We don't need your money. We just want to let the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Oh, ching,
Well, I love that.
Yeah, that was entertaining. It was interesting. It was a nice arrangement. And for the most part, it was on key and together. I liked it.
no final kiss to seal anything. I had no idea of the stage we were in.